AI-powered robots in everyday life. Imagine waking up and having your coffee brewed, floor vacuumed, and chores scheduled, all handled seamlessly by robots. AI-powered robots are transforming daily life, taking over tasks once thought impossible. But are we ready for this rapid change? Let's explore their growing impact on our homes, workplaces, and communities. In many households, robots have already become trusted companions. From vacuum robots like Roombas to virtual assistants like Alexa or Google Home, these devices simplify daily tasks. They clean, organize, and even handle reminders, making busy lifestyles more manageable while providing convenience and comfort. AI advancements now extend further. Smart kitchen appliances can suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge and cook meals to perfection. Robotic pets even offer companionship, replacing traditional pets for those with allergies or limited mobility. These technologies are designed to enhance daily living and keep people connected. AI-powered robots are revolutionizing workplaces across industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. In factories, robots assemble cars with precision and speed, improving productivity and reducing human error. Such automation reduces costs and frees up human workers to focus on creative, strategic tasks. In healthcare, robotic assistants support surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries. They assist nurses in delivering medications or tracking patient vitals. Meanwhile, in retail, robots are being deployed for inventory management and even interacting with customers. These advancements make businesses more efficient and effective, setting a new standard for innovation. Beyond homes and offices, AI-powered robots are reshaping public spaces. Delivery robots now bring packages and food directly to doorsteps, while cleaning robots sanitize public areas like airports and stadiums. They're addressing concerns on hygiene and efficiency, especially highlighted during global health crises. Robots are also being used in customer service roles, such as airport guides or hotel concierges. These machines are designed to interact naturally with people, demonstrating how robots can improve convenience in modern communities. They're not just tools, they're becoming part of everyday infrastructure. The benefits of AI-powered robots are undeniable. They reduce time on routine tasks, allowing people to focus on creativity and personal goals. In settings requiring precision like hospitals, they improve safety and quality outcomes by minimizing errors and improving accuracy. Robots also address challenges humans face. They can work tirelessly in hazardous environments, from mines to disaster zones, ensuring safety for workers. Their ability to adapt and learn allows them to carry out jobs more effectively over time, directly impacting society's productivity and progress. And with benefits come challenges. Privacy is a major concern as AI devices depend on collecting and processing personal data. For example, smart assistants are always listening, raising questions about data security and surveillance. Clear regulations are essential to ensure user privacy isn't compromised. Job displacement is another worry. As automation grows, some fear that robots may replace human workers, leading to economic instability. Balancing innovation and employment requires thoughtful planning, such as upskilling workers for new roles alongside AI systems rather than replacing them entirely. Ethical questions also surface. How much autonomy should robots have? Who is responsible if a robot makes a harmful decision? These discussions underline the need for careful development to ensure AI-powered robots benefit everyone without creating unintended problems. As technology continues to advance, the role of AI-powered robots is expected to expand further. Self-driving cars may soon become the norm, offering safer commutes. Advanced care robots could help the elderly maintain independence while enhancing access to healthcare. The possibilities are exciting, but preparation is critical. Policymakers, businesses, and individuals must collaborate to shape a future that maximizes the benefits of robotics while addressing ethical and societal concerns. The potential is immense, but it's up to humanity to direct it wisely. AI-powered robots are changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. They bring unprecedented benefits, but also raise essential questions about ethics, privacy, and employment. Now is the time to engage in meaningful discussions around this transformative technology and prepare for its effects. If you found this exploration insightful, don't stop here. Stay informed about advancements, have your voice heard in shaping policies, and embrace opportunities to integrate AI responsibly into your life. Subscribe, share this video, and join the conversation. Together, we can shape a smarter, brighter tomorrow.